Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel GetAssist. If you are a person who is super annoyed with the unknown numbers or the spam calls, this video is for you. If you are having an iPhone with iOS 26, then it has got a superpower. Yes, you heard it right, call screening. In this video, I will show you how to enable it, how does it work, and how you can use it to stop spam calls. Call screening is a new feature in iOS 26 that helps you to avoid unwanted calls. When you receive any call from any unknown number, your iPhone answers the call on your behalf and asks for why they have called. While that happens, you will see a live text transcription of what the caller is saying on your screen. And based on that, you can decide whether to answer the call, decline it, or ignore the call. Now let's see how to turn on call screening. Open your settings app, scroll down, tap on apps, and then go to phone. Now under the screen unknown callers section, you will see three options: never, ask for calling, and silence. Here select ask reason for calling to enable call screening. You can also tap on silence if you want to send the calls directly to the voicemail. From now on, if anyone calls you up that is not from your contact list, then your iPhone is going to automatically call screen it for you. If the message sounds genuine, maybe it's from a delivery agent or your friend using a new phone number, you can answer the call immediately. But what if it is suspicious? Just decline it or let it go to the voicemail. And that's how you can use call screening on your iPhone with iOS 26. And believe me, it is honestly the best update so far. If you like the video, do like, share and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.